And this song I wrote when I was a police officer, not a police officer. I was a social worker working at a police station a couple of years ago when I wanted to do things of East Babylon. And I experienced some excruciating things. You know, I worked in the domestic violence and victim support division. I made it for going to communities, I made it for counsel mothers whose children had died in their arms the day before. We didn't have to go in our communities and take guns from Pitney. You know, like me a little Pitney. You know, children who had experienced trauma beyond their years. You know, so this song really is just kind of like me yearning and hoping and praying that the next generation will be better than the last one. That we can see kids grow up without guns in their hands, without having to experience the violence. You know? So that's what Sinna Dem is about. I may get a little bit emotional, don't mind me. You know?
Never what they see was a Sinna Dem. Them are not clean, badness get a hold of them. Rob them of them innocence, scream on them. Them bursting at the seams, yeah. And I'm still making a dim light with a war towards a street fight. Someone want to find a clean. And a young girl in my footstep, and our last look is our last look. Someone know them hard of clean. Every altercation is a bloody situation. When government say rival more than them said education. When youths are learn below this instant gratification. Some know, some know, some know, some know. Them are not clean. Badness get a hold of them. Have them on them innocence. Scream on them. Them thirsting on the scenes. Them smiling at your face when them nigga what they see. Seen them. Them are not clean. We hope for daily bread, but every human on this land living in daily dread. And we allow the youths to be misled. Forgive us, God, for what we do and show us what to do instead.